I bought these Walmart cargo pants for $16 and somehow they made me $6,256.12. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. Now you heard me correctly. These Walmart cargo pants made me $6,256.12. And I'm gonna go ahead and break down exactly what it is that I did. So the first thing that I did was order these online. I was super excited about Walmart having some camo pants, something that looked kind of stylish or whatever. So I actually ordered them, and to my knowledge, Walmart shipping is super quick. I'm talking about like Amazon fast. Like sometimes I get things the next day, sometimes I get it within a couple of days. So these came fairly quickly. And when I actually got these, I didn't even try them on. I just told my audience, I was stood in my mirror and I just said, hey y'all, Walmart got camo pants, you know, y'all might want to go pick them up or whatever like that. I don't know exactly what the entire message I said to them, but I'm going to prop up on the screen the video that I actually did. And when I did that video by itself, without me even trying the pants on, that made me $996.89. Then when I saw I had an influx of people that was interested in the pants, I was like, you know what, let me try them on. Let me just go ahead and try them on, because sometimes people want to see you with the item on. So I went ahead and I just tried the item on. I didn't even have on no shoes. Your girl was not even trying to style this at all. But I had on a little graphic tee crop top type of shirt or whatever that I got from Shein, and I guess people kind of liked the outfit. So when I posted just that video alone, that video itself made me $1,388.65. So that's totaling up the whole entire outfit. Some of this money came from the shirt, some of it came from the pants. So I just kept on with the post because I see that the pants was doing really well. They were still in stock. So I just kept on going. I got in the mirror and I just, did a little outfit of today type of thing, because people had already thought that I was styling it, even though I didn't have on any shoes. I just wore that shirt for today and I was just trying the pants on. But I guess people like how the outfit actually came out with me just trying it on. So I was like, okay, well, let me kind of style it up a little bit. So I put on my shoes. I think I had on the Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wow. So I put on those shoes and I kind of styled it up a little bit. And that post right there made me $666.16. So now I'm just like, boy, these people are liking these camo cargo pants, these Walmart pants. First of all, they are affordable. I love me some Walmart clothing because, again, they are affordable, and they were within my budget because I am a girl on a budget and I love sneakers and I like styling my sneakers around affordable outfits. So Walmart is like my go-to when it comes to styling my sneakers or whatnot. So I just did that video and it made me that amount of money as well. So I just continue on posting different types of content with me in these pants, whether it was a video or whether it was a photo. My next post was actually a photo of me in the pants with me styling it with that same graphic tee crop top, my purse, my sneakers and stuff like that. And that one actually made me $49.89. So even though it was just a picture, now I'm able to see, okay, well, videos are performing really well for me. Maybe I need to lean into this more. But also I am getting a little bit amount of money off the photos. So I'm telling myself to continue on posting content around these pants, because why not? People are actually liking these pants, and not everybody is seeing your content. Every time that I post it again, maybe at that time they may not have the money, maybe they see it again, they want to actually buy it, because the expert says that people have to see your content probably around 7 different times before they actually make a purpose. So far, that has been about 4 times that I've actually posted those pants. So I keep on going, and then I was about to go somewhere for that day, and I just did a quick little outfit of today down my stairs that I usually do my content. And that video made me $172.76. So again, I just kept on posting the pants with different shirts or whatever. So I actually styled the pants with this shirt that I actually got on now, and that one made me $19.38 because that was just a photo. Again, a lot of times the social media accounts are not pushing photos like that. They are more so pushing reels. I think around that time reels was popular, and you can get the most views from your reels and stuff like that. So that's majority of the type of content that I try to post are the reels, because they get pushed out to a newer audience. So again, I came back with the reel with this same denim crop top style with these pants, and that reel made me $1,164.97. So I just kept on with posting the pants. Every single time that you are selling something or promoting something, you want to be looking at the analytics. You also want to be looking at seeing if this item is still in stock, because I'm not one of those people that's gonna just one time and then I'm just done. Nope, we gonna continue on sharing these Walmart cargo pants until they actually sell out and they do not bring them back. So I just kept on sharing these pants over and over and over again, regardless if I'm in the pants or I'm not in the pants. There was one video I just held up the pants and I turned them around, and that video made me $15.30. I styled it a little bit more with a jersey shirt. That one made me $121.48. I styled it with a baseball crop top. That one made me $17.85. I did a video on the football. I think that was like a football jersey or a mesh jersey, and that one made me $295.54. Basically, what all I'm trying to say is that I just continue on styling these camo pants, and that's something that you have to do as well. You have to figure out a system when you get something, when you order something, when you're buying something, whenever you have it in hand, when you're in store, all of the things. Usually when I order something in the mail, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox that item. I'm gonna make a video of me unboxing it, and I'm just gonna show the people what it is that I got. Then the next thing, if it's an item that I need to try on or that I can wear, I'm gonna try the item on. Let the people see how it looks on you. People want to see how it looks on a real body. They don't want to just really see you holding it up and doing all of that. They want to see it on a human body, because if they are around your weight and your height, they can get an idea of how the actual item actually looks on a human being. And then once you try the item on, the next time that you wear it, style it up a little bit, jazz it up a little bit, show how you would wear it if you were going out somewhere. And then once you go out somewhere, give us an outfit of the day before you actually go. And once you're out and about, give us a on location shot. Maybe you do a outfit at a coffee shop. This is what I would wear to a coffee shop, and you're at the coffee shop with your coffee in your hand, and you're standing around or turning around showing your outfit that you wore to the coffee shop, and it's just these pants. The main thing that you want to be doing as a marketer, as a content creator or whatever, you gotta be looking at the analytics. You gotta be looking at the analytics, and you also gotta be looking at things that's in stock versus things that is out of stock. There's no reason, I'm not gonna say that there's no reason why you should be sharing out of stock item, but people normally will want the thing that you are actually sharing. And to always share something that's always sold out, people are gonna not start to come to you or not want to click on your links, because they already know that you are the person that shares things that's already sold out. So you don't want to be known for that person. You don't want to be known for the person that gatekeep the information. You want to be known for the person that actually put people on, because I get that all the time. People thank me so much for putting them on to affordable fashion, and that's what I'm here for. I feel like that's what I'm here for, to let people know the new thing that may be in stock, the different ways that they can actually style it if they haven't thought about styling it that way, and different little new items that I come across that I feel like they should know about as well. So that's how I turned this $16 Walmart cargo pants into $6,256.12 by utilizing affiliate marketing. That's basically what it is that I do. Now, if you are interested in affiliate marketing as well, I have created a list of affiliate marketing networks that you can apply to become an affiliate of whatever platform that you actually want to sign up for. I actually use LTK, but I am an affiliate of other networks as well. I'm gonna tag that down below just in case you are interested. It's a free list of, I think I did about 20 affiliate networks that you can sign up and apply to, because I want you to get some money. I want you to be able to earn you some money as well from the items that you already have in your closet, in your bathroom, in your kitchen, wherever it may be that people come to you and always asking you about the thing. I want you to make money from that content. So go ahead, get my free list of affiliate marketing networks and start applying, and let me know down below what affiliate network that you actually got accepted into. I'm also going to leave my referral link to LTK, because you know LTK is my baby. I love me some LTK. I wish that everybody could just get on LTK, because LTK has literally changed my life when it comes to affiliate marketing and things like that. So I'm going to drop a referral link down below for those that may need some assistance in getting pushed. Maybe that will help you get accepted if you have been denied in the past. And yeah, that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.